this type of brushes, I just love the fact, I'm gonna open right now so you can see how it is, okay? I love the fact that it's pretty easy to use, and as you can see, the tube here, super quick. I'm gonna show you. So I open the brush and look at this smoothie, you know, really smooth brush it is. I'm putting it right now with my hand so you can see how smooth and soft it could be. Now I'm gonna put on purpose right here on my skin, okay, on top of my skin, so you can see how the brush is delicate, okay? I love the fact of the quality, first of all, okay? I definitely recommend this brush when it comes to working and, you know, utilizing this type of foundations, okay? The foundation that I'm about to use is the same brand, but here's the idea how to use it, okay? So I have here the foundation, and what I'm gonna make sure is when I use the brush, okay, of course we try to cover it with the foundation, and in this case I have it here, okay, as you can see. So I have the foundation here, and the brush, it's gonna get all the foundation, all the powder that I have here. And gently, okay, what I'm gonna make sure is to pass it on top of my skin, little by little. Now, this is the part that I like the most, okay? I'm gonna try to cover everything, but it's so easy to use, like I said. See, I'm putting the foundation here, and I'm gonna cover in my forehead. Really soft, I love it, okay? I really like it. My forehead, I have now over here, and the other side, my face. Trying to cover everything, like I said. And the brush is really, really smooth. And I love it because it's pretty soft, like I said. I recommend this brush for any type of powder, any type of foundation, like I said. It's pretty smooth and 100% quality. So now I cover. It's just funny because I love it here. It's just too soft. Okay, but again, I would tell you that this is very practical to use if you want to keep, you know, a type of brush for your makeup, you know, for your daily routine. This is one of the best options. So now you can see the result. You see, is everything covered? Okay, so I have all my face pretty much, it's covered. And again, the brush, I just love it because it's really soft, okay? And of course, there is another type of sizes, okay? This is one of the best sizes, I would say medium, okay? I'm keeping this medium because it goes with my personality, but there are bigger ones, okay? So definitely, really, really recommend it.